Hello everyone, welcome to Freshers Now YouTube channel.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
There is one important announcement from TCS NQT. Also, this is good news for the candidates who are looking for NQT exam. So actually TCS test dates are announced. You can see here on the screen. The test dates are 1st May 2021 and 13th May 2021. So the TCS NQT is accepting only limited registrations. So you have to apply before 20th April. Okay, who are interested to apply for TCS NQT, apply before 20th April 2021. Please note that test dates are 1st May 2021 and 13th May 2021. Okay, there are some changes from TCS side. Earlier you might have written TCS NQT exam for free, but this time TCS is charging some money to take the exam. People who have applied for NQT earlier, so there is no charge from TCS. Okay, this time here you can see, I'll scroll down, you can see some charges are there. If you can see here, to take TCS NQT cognitive skills test, you need to pay 600 rupees to TCS. Okay, so and again here you can see TCS psychometric test. For this you need to pay 399 rupees. Okay, while registering itself they are asking for money. So if you click on register now button, it will automatically take you to NQT variant section. Here you can clearly see they are asking for money to take the exam. Okay, so it is mandatory to take NQT cognitive skills exam. Okay, otherwise they don't allow you to write the exam. Here you can see clearly, details are clearly mentioned over here at the bottom of the screen. So you can clearly see here, journey to a dream job. They have clearly mentioned the steps to apply for NQT exam. Step 1, you need to register for NQT and then you have to buy TCS NQT variant. So as I have mentioned earlier, you need to buy TCS NQT variant. That is cognitive skills test, you need to apply and you need to buy it. Then step 3, take the test, and step 4, get a benchmark score with a validity of 2 years. So they have clearly mentioned here, the score which you have got through a TCS NQT exam is valid for 2 years. Okay. And the step 5, apply for corporate jobs as per their eligibility criteria. So many companies are hiring through this NQT drive. Like not only TCS, there are many other companies which are hiring candidates based on the score, NQT score. So I will show you which companies are hiring from TCS NQT exam. So you can see here the list of companies, TCS and Tata Electronics, Titan, Equifax, Data Patterns, and many companies are over here. You can check. Okay. Also you can check through this URL learning.tcsionhub.in. Okay, we will provide this link in the description box also. Directly you can go there and apply for the NQT drive. Okay, these are various details. Also, if you got any doubts through NQT exam, TCS itself is clarifying. You no need to ask anyone. You come down to the screen, there are FAQ section there. You can find each and every detail. Also, they have clearly mentioned few details like, for example, you have written the exam today and you got some score. Let's say for you got 60%. You want to improve the score. Then again, you can write the TCS NQT exam. Any number of times you can write the exam and improve your score. Okay. So don't think like you can write only once. You can write n number of times, but you need to pay money every time you take the exam. Okay. So if you got any further doubts, you can check in the FAQ section clearly. So I'll show you that section as well. So if you can see the FAQ section, what is TCS NQT? They have clearly mentioned. As you are already aware, TCS NQT is a assessment test to check the skills of every candidate. Okay, there are multiple tests they are conducting like cognitive test, psychometric test, programming test, and industry specific test. Okay, so for example, if you can check here, NQT cognitive skills is a mandatory test. So the first test which I have told you, NQT cognitive skills test, is a mandatory test to be taken. So that test is mandatory, the remaining tests are optional. Okay, some companies may ask for your programming skills also. In such cases, you need to take programming test. In some cases, companies may ask industry or domain specific knowledge. For example, if you are applying for a banking industry or insurance industry, they may check your knowledge on banking or insurance domain. There are multiple domains. It completely depends on the projects. For example, if a company, let's say Tata Electronics, is having electronics project, you need to have basic knowledge on the electronic subject. So that is domain specific. There is a domain specific test also there. See here, what is industry NQT here? They have clearly mentioned. So in the industry NQT, they have clearly mentioned here, industry NQT assessment is for industry structure, domain, subdomains, knowledge, operating knowledge, process and practices, regulatory environment. Like that, they have some kind of rules and regulations. You need to have basic knowledge on industry also, which you are applying for. Only few companies ask for industry knowledge. In such cases, you need to take industry specific tests also. But as of now, TCS has not given any links to apply for these tests. Maybe soon in the future, they may activate those links also. So as of now, it is a good news for the candidates who are actually looking for TCS NQT exam. So please note the dates. 1st May and 13th May are the actual test dates. Last day to apply for TCS NQT drive is 20th April. Okay. So this time you cannot take it for free and you have to pay some amount to take the test. Also, the registrations are limited. So apply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.